Welcome back to the channel. If you are coming from software like SolidWorks, Inventor, or Tinkercad, adjusting to the navigation controls in Autodesk Fusion 360 can feel a bit frustrating at times. The good news is that you do not have to retrain your muscle memory. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your pan, zoom, and orbit settings to match your preferred CAD workflow. This simple tweak will make your design process significantly faster and much more intuitive. If this video helps you master your workspace, please hit that like button and subscribe for more efficiency tips. Let's dive into the steps. First, go ahead and launch Fusion 360 on your computer. Once the workspace is loaded, look toward the top right corner of the application window where your profile icon is located. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu, and from the options provided, select Preferences. This will open the main settings window where you can customize almost every aspect of your Fusion 360 environment. Once that window pops up, ensure you are in the General tab on the left-hand sidebar menu. Inside the General settings, look for the section labeled Pan, Zoom, Orbit Shortcuts. This is the heart of your navigation preferences. You will see a drop-down menu that displays your current navigation style. Click on it and you will see a list of available presets. You can choose from the Fusion 360 default or switch to SolidWorks, Inventor, Alias, or Tinkercad styles. Select the one that feels most natural to your previous experience. After you've selected your preferred preset, make sure to click Apply and then OK to save the changes. You might notice an immediate difference in how your mouse interacts with the 3D canvas. Try orbiting around your model or zooming in and out to ensure the controls feel correct. If you ever feel like switching back, you can simply repeat these exact steps to restore the default settings or try a different preset entirely. Customizing these navigation keys is one of the most effective ways to reduce fatigue and speed up your modeling workflow inside the software. Having these controls set correctly keeps your focus on your design rather than fighting with the camera controls. If this guide helped you set up your workspace, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more Fusion 360 tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.